We have a delta modulated signal. Now we want to use a line coding technique to transmit the signal in the form of pulse waveform. So basically the line coding is the process of converting digital data into digital signal. So we have this binary data and we can use these techniques to convert the signal. So your first one is your unipolar NRZ, which is non-return to zero. So non-return to zero and return to zero means that your signal, if it's with respect to the data bit 1, for the return to 0, the signal must return to 0 and start from 0. So if there's a 1, start from 0 and it ends at 0. For non-return to 0, the signal can start from 1 and end at 1. So unipolar means that you have one level, positive one only, and for a bipolar means that you have two pole levels, plus 1 and minus 1, to represent 1 and 0. So it's a unipolar and RZ is 1 here. It's positive side high and then low for 0. And in a similar way, you can see these. For bipolar and RZ, you have a 1 for positive, 1, and your minus 1 for basically 0, and remaining are similar. Unipolar RZ means that you have a 1 which starts from high, or you can say 0, starts from 0 here and it ends at 0. So it's a waveform like this. And then you have a bipolar RZ, which is of this form also. So one is represented by a high and a low signal together in the same time period, and 0 is represented by a negative high, or you can say minus 1 and then 0. AMI is your alternate doing. So what we are doing is that alternate 1 is represented by a high and low of this form. So the first one which will appear will be represented by a positive and then going to 0. And 0 will be represented by a 0 level only. When the next one will appear, it will be alternate, means this will go to the negative side and then followed by a low. The next one will be represented by a high on the positive side, and so on. Split phase Manchester is basically you have 1 as high and low pulse, and when you have a 0, then it will be a waveform of opposite polarity. So you start for 0 here, so for start from 1 here, then it will start from a low here, and so on. So these are basically the definitions of these. And the next lecture, I will explain how to calculate the PST, power spectral density, of all these techniques. Thank you.